Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this Coca-Cola cooler. Let's get this party rolling with this retro metal and bowls ice cold cooler. This officially licensed Coca-Cola cooler is a decorative solution for storing the drinks you plan to serve for your festivities. The total weight of this cooler is 30.2 pounds. It's surprisingly light, has a height of 31 inch, a width of 14 inch, and a total length of 26 inch. This cooler has removable double lid, allows you to fill the insulated polyliner with ice and beverages. It can easily hold 72 regular Coke cans and with plenty of room for ice. Look at this nice iconic Coca-Cola logo. Moving on to the legs, it has 4 rotational casters and 2 of them is lockable. The casters are made out of heavy-duty plastic and they are not rubber. This cooler comes with a nice looking drain plug. Now over here we have is the stainless steel bar towel. Last but not least, this comes with a heavy duty powder coated Coke bottle opener and a cap catcher. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you guys until next time. Cheers!